Hello students, you're welcome in SJEC classes. Please subscribe this channel. We are going to discuss valence shell electrons and valency. Topic is valence and valency. What is valence? Means valence electrons. Valence electrons are electrons in the outermost shell. The number of electrons present in the outermost shell of any atom is known as valence shell electrons. Just like of hydrogen. Just like of hydrogen. Atomic number 1. Configuration is 1. In the outermost shell of hydrogen, 1 electron is present. So number of valence electron is 1 in hydrogen atom. So what is valence electrons or valence shell electrons? The total number of electrons present in the valence shell of any atom is known as valence shell electrons. Then valence electrons are electrons in the outermost shell of any atom. Just like of helium. What is the configuration of helium? He. Atomic number 2. What is configuration? 2. Means outer shell contain 2 electrons. Means valence electrons in helium are 2. Lithium. Atomic number 3. What is configuration? 2, 1. What are the valence electrons? There is one valence electron in lithium. Means the total number of electrons present in the outermost shell of any atom is known as valence electrons. Okay? At first, there are shells K, L, M, N, etc. K contains 2 electrons, L contains 8 electrons, M contains 18 electrons, this kind. You all know about it. You already studied about it in class 8th. Okay. What is valency? Valency is the number of valence electrons. Valency is the number of valence electrons. Means the number of valence electrons which uses to form chemical bonds. Means the number of electrons of valence shell which combine with other atoms to produce bonds is known as valency of that atom. So what is valency? Valency is the number of valence electrons. Valency is the number of valence electrons. Means outermost shell electrons which are capable for bonding, or the total number of valence shell electrons which produce or create the bonds with other atoms is known as valency of that atom. The valency is the number of valence electrons an atom uses to form a chemical bond. Actually valence, what is valency? Actually the total number of unpaired electrons. In valence shell of an atom. Actually the total number of unpaired electrons in valence shell of an atom is known as valency of that atom. The total number of unpaired electrons. If you know that the valency of hydrogen is 1. It means the total number of unpaired electron in hydrogen is 1. What is valency of helium? You all know the valency of helium is 0. It means the total number of unpaired electron in helium is 0. Lithium. Configuration is 2, 1. Li. Atomic number 3. Configuration is 2, 1. The total number of valency of lithium is 1. It means the total number of unpaired electrons is 1. Actually, the total number of unpaired electrons in valence shell means the outermost shell contains the total number of unpaired electrons is known as the valency. All valence electrons is not valency. Those electrons in outermost or valence shell which are unpaired is known as valency of that atom. In class 8th, we already discussed about the valency. Okay, you all know that the valency of hydrogen is 1, the valency of helium is 0, the valency of lithium is 1, the valency of beryllium is 2, the valency of boron is 3, the valency of carbon is 4. Then the valency of nitrogen is not 5, configuration is 2, 5. The configuration of nitrogen is 2, 5. Then how we get the valency? When electrons are more than 4, then valency is 8 minus valence shell electron, means valency of nitrogen is 3, means the total number of unpaired electron in nitrogen is 3. Again hydrogen atomic number 1. What is configuration? 1. Then valency of hydrogen is 1, because in first shell only 2 electrons are possible. Only 2 electrons are possible and it contains 1 electron. Means 1 electron directly it means 1 electron is unpaired. Means it want to produce a pair of electron. So valency of hydrogen is 1, because in first cell only 2 electrons are possible. Next one is helium. Atomic number is 2. Configuration is 2. In first shell only 2 electrons are possible and the first shell of helium or the last or valence shell of helium contains 2 electrons. In first cell only 2 electrons, or in first cell only 2 electrons are possible and in helium 2 electrons are present. So valency of helium is 0. Next, lithium. Atomic number is 3. Configuration is 2. In first cell only 2 electrons are possible. Then after that in next cell electrons are entered until it becomes 8. So 2, 1. 1 is unpaired, means valency of lithium is 1. Okay. Then beryllium. Atomic number 4. 2, 2. These all are metals. Valency of beryllium is again 2. Boron. Atomic number 5. 2, 3. What is valency in boron? Valency is 3. Clear? Next is carbon. Atomic number 6. Configuration 2, 4. What is valency? 4. Until there are 1 to 4 electrons in valence shell, the valency of atom is 1 to 4. But when valence shell of any atom contain more than 4 electrons, just like of nitrogen, atomic number is 7, 2, 5. 2, 5. Now the understanding is, this concept is very difficult. How the valency becomes 3? Then the method is given that valency will define by minus with 8. Then 8 minus 5, then valency is 3. Means nitrogen contains only 3 unpaired electrons, not 5 unpaired electrons. It contains 3 unpaired electrons. You will study about it in further classes. Nitrogen 2, 5, valency 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next one is oxygen. Atomic number 8, 2, 6. Valency 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Then valency of oxygen is 2. Fluorine, atomic number is 9, 2 comma 7. Valency is 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Means valency of fluorine is 1. Next one is neon. Atomic number is 10, 2 comma 8. Then valency is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then what is valency? The total number of unpaired electrons, actually the total number of unpaired electrons in valence shell of any atom is known as valency of that atom. Means any atom contain the number of unpaired electrons and it try to pair them. For pairing, it combine with other atoms of same element or different element. This is known as the valency of that atom. Okay, what is valency? Actually the total number of unpaired electrons or the combining capacity of an atom. So what is combining capacity? The number of unpaired electron is known as the combining capacity of that atom. Until any atom contain or when any atom contain 1 to 4 electron, its valency is 1 to 4, and when it contains more than 4 electrons in valence shell, valency is 8 minus valence shell electrons. Okay, 8 minus valence shell electrons. So what is valency? When more than 4 electrons are present, then what is valency? The formula is valency is equal to 8 minus valence electron. What is formula? When any atom contain more than 8 electrons in valence shell, more than 4 electrons, when any atom contain more than 4 electrons in valence shell, then what is valency of that atom? Then valency of that atom is 8 minus valence electrons. Okay, 8 minus valence electrons. This is known as valency of that atom. Just like of sodium, what is atomic number? Sodium, atomic number is 11, 2, 8, 1. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Configuration is 281. Configuration is 2, 8, 1. Means the valence shell of sodium contain 1 electron in valence shell. Then what is the valency of sodium is 1. You can see in this figure, sodium, it contains 3 shells. It contains 3 shells. First one is K, second one is L, and third one is M. There are 3 shells, K, L, M. In K, there are 2 electrons. There are 2 electrons, 1 and 2. In second shell, L, there are 8 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And in third shell, in M shell, there is present 1 electron. If it donates 1 electron, if it donates its 1 electron, its L shall contain 8 electrons. If its M shell donate 1 electron, then its L shall contain 8 electrons. This is known as octet rule. Means each atom want to complete 8 electron in its valence shell. This is valency. But what is actual? The tendency of combining is known as valency of that atom. So in M shell, 1 electron is present. If sodium donates its 1 electron from valence shell, then the valency is 1 of sodium atom, because when it donates 1 electron of valence shell, its L shell contain 8 electrons, and 8 electron is configuration of an inert gas, means stable state. So valency of sodium is 1. In magnesium, valence shell contain 2 electron, 2, 8, 2. then valency is 2. Okay, this is valency. Now valency is the, what is valency? Next, valency is the number of bonds. Valency is the number of bonds formed by an atom with other atoms. As you wish, you can write. Just like of magnesium, atomic number is 12, configuration is 282, valency is 2. Aluminium, atomic number is 13, 283. First shell contain 2, second shell contain 8, and in third shell 3 electrons entered. Valency is 3. Hydrogen, configuration, atomic number is 1, means 1 electron, configuration is 1, means hydrogen has, valency of hydrogen is 1. Nitrogen, oxygen, valency of nitrogen is 3, we have already discussed. Valency of oxygen is 2, valency of sodium is 1, but valency of iron is 2 and 3. Valency is given 2 and 3. Valency is given 2 and 3. Valency of iron is given 2, 3, means valency of iron is 2 and valency of iron is also 3, means it shows 2 type of valencies, and this valency is known as variable valency, and this type of valency is known as variable valency. This type of valency is known as variable valency. When any atom represent more than one type of valencies or greater or more than one type of valencies is known as variable valencies. So most of transition elements, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, silver, gold, mercury, and some elements just like of tin, lead, they show variable valencies, more than one type of valencies, then it is known as variable. Variable means vary, means changing. Okay, helium, in valence shell of helium there are 2 electrons, so valency of helium is only 0 because its valence shell contains 2 electrons. Chlorine, valency is 1. Electronic configuration of chlorine is chlorine, Cl. Atomic number is 17. Configuration is 2, 8, 7. First shell contain 2, second shell contain 8, and third shell contains 7. Then what is the valency? 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Then valency of chlorine is 1. Okay. Carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic number of carbon is 6, 2, 4. Then valency, in valence shell it contains 4 electron, so valency of carbon is 4. So I think you all enjoy this video about the valency. Okay, thank you. Okay students, I think you enjoyed this video. Bye.